Today, July 27th, Monday, we are finally beginning our renovation of our church and the construction of our new school. It has been almost 3 years since the events of Hurricane Harvey, and it has seemed like an eternity. We have spent thousands of volunteer hours working and planning and getting feedback, and thousands of overtime hours working and planning and getting feedback. And finally, we are here on the threshold of our new beginning at St. Thomas Episcopal Church and School. Because today we're going to begin this. This is our new church. Many of you have seen it. It is on this poster, but this poster is about to become a reality. And we believe that it will take place before Christmas, and we'll have a wonderful Christmas celebration in this space that we have only been able just to see two-dimensionally. We will walk in and see it and experience it that Christmas. And this, our new school building for the middle school and the upper school, the band, and so many other things are going to be in this new building. We're finally beginning it. You know, people have said, we don't think it's going to happen. We don't know when it's going to happen. I've had people doubt. We've had people doubt. But it is here. The ball is rolling, and it is not going to stop. And here we are at the very first project on the very first day. This might not look much. This is called a sediment fence. And what they have done is they have built a trench all down this fence so that the sediment, the dirt that they're going to move, will not be going into the places where it should not go. But the reason this is important, this sediment fence, is this is the first thing that will be put down, the first project that we will have. And it will probably be the last thing that they take up. Because when this is taken up, when this fence is taken up, the building will be built, all of this will be landscaped, everything here will be finished, and there will be no more sediment and no more dirt to go into the neighborhood or to go anywhere else where it shouldn't go. So this is really a monumental thing here. The first thing to be put in, the last thing to be taken out.